Hi, this is my name. I'm gonna be showing off my room today, so have Huba here filming on the camera. Okay, so let's start. So basically the room comes with a bed. This is the bed here. I've lowered the bed significantly. The original height is somewhere around here. Also, the room comes with this thing, like the bedside table, these drawers, the desk, including chair, and also the bookshelf. But pretty much everything else here I've added in later.
Okay, show off the bike rack.
Okay, so this is where I keep my whip. Takes me down Main Mall. I can get from like 4th Street to Buchanan in 3 minutes with this guy. It's pretty awesome. I keep two pairs of shoes here. The reason I have 2 pairs of shoes instead of just 1 pair is because I'm very fashionable, so sometimes I want to like shake things up. Also, you want to keep an umbrella at all times. This umbrella is very good in case you're walking class. You just open it up like this. Bam. And by the door over here, we have this thing. It's a light switch. So you put it down, turns off, turns on. And thermostat, it's currently set to 20 degrees, but it also goes from 10 to 30. It can also do this. Because it's partially defective. Air ventilation vent, nothing too interesting there. And let me just show you the bike rack here, how this works. So basically what you do is you take the bike off, set it on the ground, and you roll it out of your room. And when you come back, just do this, take it up, and get up again. Great. Also keep a fan here for when things get a little too hot. And this bookshelf here has pretty much everything except for books in it. First level here, I keep some assorted items, you know, like mugs, that sort of stuff. Knife for cutting fruit, banana, and this is the lanyard that you get when you move into residence. So you can put this lanyard around your neck so that everyone knows you're a first-year student. Second level here, I keep all my water bottles. Yeah, you may notice like I have a lot of these, and that's because I'm very thirsty. It's pretty unfortunate. And third level here, I keep some other stuff like some tea, some nice snacks. Also, got my hard to swallow pills. You're gonna be taking a lot of these in first year. Going further down, keep some other stuff. Phylogenetic tree from Bio 121. These are the different nodes, or I forgot. Moving over to the desk here, as you can see, we have a chair. This is a very nice chair. It's got like a swivel, like, you know, they move around. And you sit down on it, and it goes like down, up, down. And on the desk here, I keep a number of different stuff. Like, I got my pencil, a couple of notebooks, Sharp EL510 RN calculator, mandatory for first year chemistry courses such as Chem 121, 123, and 154. You can buy this for $13 from the bookstore. And periodic table over here, and inspirational message over here.
Is that the one I wrote?
Yes.
That's cute.
And here's where I keep my computer. Look at this. Web work. 100%. 100%. Over here I keep a couple of other papers and stuff. Chemistry lab manual. Not a good time. And moving on over here, a couple of drawers where I keep like clothes and other things, you know. Textbooks over here, some textbooks that you might find useful in first year. This is a kettle for making tea. This is very useful. My friend Thomas, like, he really likes to make a lot of tea. True.
Now, one thing I forgot to mention is underneath the desk, there is a light right here. It's UV sensor, so you just touch underneath it and it turns on.
So get this closer, Huba. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Also keep my camera here. This is pretty useful for like taking pictures and stuff. And again, we got the bed here. If your bed is especially higher, you know, you can slide these guys under there, lots of storage space and all that. And show the ceiling. So that round thing you see there is a light. And beside the light, we have our fire alarm. So if the fire alarm goes on, it kind of goes like... And that thing like starts blinking. So if it goes up at like 3 a.m., it's definitely gonna wake you up. Not a good time. Not a good time.
Closet.
And over here we have the mini fridge. This does not come with the room, so you can buy one of these and like put it up here. Great for like keeping some fruits and vegetables in there. And also some extra paper towels, paper cups and stuff I haven't used in a while. And here is my closet. Now, as you can see is that I've added this curtain on later. So it like covers everything inside of here. You just get one of these like rods over here. You get a nice shower curtain. Also good for the toga party in case you don't have a toga, you can just put this on. Trust me.
Show them the closet.
The closet, yeah, I got like lots of different stuff here. Clothes, nice bathrobe.
Basically, the closet has 2 different poles. It has one up here and one down here.
Yep.
And then there's space to hang stuff up here or just put stuff.
Yep. And what else was there to show?
Beautiful view. Mine's better, but got some road, got some tree, got some ocean. Beautiful view. Ocean. Ocean.
And over here on this wall, this is where I keep pictures of all of my friends. Lots of space for that.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Okay, so this thing you can see over here is called a room key, but it's not an actual key. Sesame House is one of the newer buildings, so this room key, it just goes right in here. You punch in your password, and it opens up for you.
Did you want to show your password or?
And over here we have 2 exit signs.
Mm-hmm.
And this thing is a fire sprinkler, so you don't want to touch it. Do not touch it.
Are you touching it?
No, I'm not touching it.
Hey, this is an RA.
Hello, I'm Nicole. Here's my room. On my door, I like to keep a Where Am I board, my name tag, a little bit about myself, and what nights I am in. Welcome to my crib.
Wow. Oh,
Wow.
she big.
I have one of the biggest rooms in Totem just because we're in the newer house and I have the corner room. So this is a double bed, I believe. And I have 2 windows, a desk, chair, another table, a bookshelf, a dresser.
There's, wow, so much.
So much going on.
And then another bike rack and a big closet. Wow.
So my desk is, my bed is really high because I couldn't figure out how to lower it. So it's gonna be like this all year.
All year is in like the 2 months that we're gonna be here.
We have. You want to show the view?
The view in this room is really nice.
I see too, yeah.
This is a view on the east side, west side. Some road, some ocean, some tree. And now we have some field and some tree. Probably one of the best views in UBC Res.
Oh, check out this lamp.
The lamp did not come with the room.
What?
Oh,
Okay.
does the top part not lamp? Ah, there it is.
Now, Google, let's go check out our floor lounge.
Yeah.
Just follow me over here. So this thing you can see here is a hallway.
Had no idea.
And these are like other doors of other people who live in this fine establishment. So this thing here is our floor lounge. This sign indicates that it's a floor lounge, so we just go in. And okay. This
what's
is
up?
our house president, Matthew Ho of Sesame House Council. Proud to be one of his floor representatives. And okay, right by the entrance here we have our waste sorting areas and communal fridge. So just be careful if you put things in here, you know, like someone doesn't come and, you know, swipe it. Got some great stuff in the freezer here. Also the lower part in the fridge. Ooh, that is full. Look at that. It's got a microwave here as well. Panasonic, 1100 watts. Check that out. It's got a sink with a tap. And also you can turn this light on over here, so that's great. It's for use by the whole floor. And out here you can look at the beautiful view. Show this. So here you can see the other side of the building. And out there in the distance you can see, zoom in on Orchard Commons. Yeah, that's where you really want to be.
Yeah, he's not wrong.
Yeah. And over here, additionally, the floor lounge has these 3 couches, a television equipped with an HDMI cable, and also cable TV, so you can watch that sometimes. And, oh boy, sorry. Don't film this. Let's take a look down the hall, okay? So over here, we're on the east side of the building, and you can tell this is the east side because we've got the blue doors over here. But if you head down a little bit, this is a central area where you've got 2 elevators, and also these exit stairs that go downstairs. Goes down. And this is the west side of the building. The west side has these green doors. West side, best side. This building also comes equipped with the latest in fire protection equipment, such as these fire extinguishers.
No, do not.
West side also has a floor lounge, but their floor lounge is way larger than east side's. Which is pretty unfortunate.
Ready to do the handicap bathroom?
Ooh, yes. West side also comes with this special single person bathroom. How this works is that you just go like this, opens.
It comes with a shower,
Yeah.
a toilet, and a sink.
Hey. Hey. Now this is the washroom facilities here. As you can see, complete with paper towel dispenser. And also here in the middle we have a variety of different sinks, 5 to be exact. Yeah.
So basically, for the gender neutral bathrooms, there is the male identifying side on one side, and then the female identifying side on the other side, and everyone just shares these sinks.
Yes. Let's take a look at some of the more.
Get down to nitty gritty. What do
Yep.
the bathrooms look like?
So these are the showers. So you see these light switches here, you just turn this on. And this is what a shower looks like here.
Got 2 in each side.
It's got these shower heads. That's how you turn it on. A little curtain as well.
And then there's a little spot right here for you to put all of your shower stuff.
And like, enjoy this privacy. Look at this. Door has no gap.
Like, there's that part up there, nothing down here.
Yeah. And over here we also have these 2 toilet stalls. Complete with an automatically flushing toilet. It only flushes when you don't want it to flush. It's true. Toilet paper as well. Lots of that. You know, you can also lift the seat, put it down.
You should.
You should lift the seat if you're standing, please. Don't be
And
like
then-
east side.
If you want to flush the toilet, you have to hold it down. There you go.
Bye.
Are we done?
Yeah.